I got contacted by FireCore, wanted to send me out a laser to test out. I've tested out about 7 or 8 of them. So let's see if this one is any better or worse than all the rest that we've gotten. When it comes to these lasers, they're all going to be really accurate. What you're looking for is your features. So this has got a nice hard plastic molded case. Everything fits in here nice and neat. It's going to have your 360 laser, which to me is a minimum. I wouldn't even worry about the ones that just shoot those 2 lines out. You're going to want to get this because that's the first ones I bought. And you'll soon realize these 360 ones are definitely the way to go. And the price have came down so much. And what FireCore has done with this kit, I believe, is they're trying to give you, actually, in my opinion, one of the best features that most of the other ones don't have at a economical price, which is what I love. I'm looking for that value. So this has this little swivel bracket where you can rotate it. That's actually built into the laser. Now with that, you do not have a removable battery. It's going to be USB-C chargeable. It comes with a USB-C charger. Now for most people, this is going to last the entire day. And it doesn't have a remote, which, to be honest, I never use that remote anyway. You set it up and these things last all day, and that's just unneeded function that runs up the price. But what this does have is this has a pulse sensor. Now, most of the other lasers I've reviewed had a pulse mode, but many of them did not even have a pulse sensor that you could buy. And if you did have it purchased, which I'd purchased one, it would not fit in the boxes because they have the boxes made to where with all these extra little brackets that you're never going to use. So I think this is going to be really good. So let's test it out and make sure it works good. And I'll show you what these functions are going to do. All right, so we're going to turn this on, and we have the one horizontal, and then we can push it, and that will change us to the vertical. This way, that gives us both verticals. That gives us all 3, and then we're back to the 1. So you're able to either have 1, 2, or 3 of your lines going at the time, which will either give you 2 to 3 times the battery life because you're using less function. So we're in my shop here. It's 44 foot from front to back. So let me set this up at the front and see if we can see it down there in the back. All right, so I've placed that right back there on the my wood rack. Now that is 44 foot from the back to the front. Now as you can see, I've got tons of light in here, and the brighter it is, the harder it's going to be for that laser to be seen. But as you can see, at 44 foot, I've got a nice crisp line, even in this bright light. But if you get outside on all of these lasers, in bright sunlight here in Florida, you're not going to be able to see that laser, and that's where that pulse comes in. All right, so I didn't want to go grab the tripod and bring out here. So with that magnetic base, I just stuck it here on the trailer, and now I've got my shed over there about 100 foot away. They say that this laser can go 200 feet. Well, I'm about 100 foot away, and it's doing 360, so that means that whatever it can do here, it can do 100 foot the other direction. But I don't know if they rated that 200 foot in one direction, because if so, then that would mean 400 foot across. But anyway, out here, we can't see our line, which is typical on most all these lasers until you get up into the real high dollar and, where the glasses and stuff. You're not going to be able to see that laser outside most of the time. And that's where this little box here comes in. And what it is there is a pulse signal coming out, and this can receive that pulse signal. So you can come down, and now I'm gonna have to cut the volume because this thing is super loud, which is good. Now, if you've watched my channel, you know I'm all about a good value. And I think this is the best value of any of the lasers I've reviewed. Now, I'm not saying it's the absolute best laser because I've done 2 or 3 times as much. But for the price point and the features that you get with this, inside, The line is nice and bright. I'm sitting here looking at the wall, super bright. We got it 40 foot away. We can still see it on the wall with decent lighting. So inside, the laser is going to work perfect, but this is really the cream of the crop here. Most other lasers don't even have one of these available, and they'll even have the pulse mode, but they won't be selling this remote sensor. None of the other lasers I've gotten had this with them, or even if you bought it separately, had a place that you could put it in the box. So I love the fact that this comes with it, and the price of the whole setup is brand new. It just came out, so I don't know if this thing gets super hot, if the prices are going to go up, because right now the price of the whole thing is about what I paid just for my remote sensor a few years ago for my other one. And now the remote sensor does have metal, so like you can hang this off of a metal stud and it will sense that. And you know, there also the extra little bracket that came in the kit. What that was for is this will screw onto the back. You've got your screw holes here. They're just a 1/4 inch thread. And so then you can clamp this on to something and hold that. And so you can either hold this at your level point, and it's got a little mark here on the side. And so you can mark that, and then you can go elsewhere, set your laser up. And this thing is super loud. You'll be able to hear it 400 foot away. I mean, the beep on it, and you know, it gets, you know, a different tone as you're high or low. And so you'll be able to set this laser to the proper height, and then you can shoot the rest of them to match, you know, your one that is level. Absolutely love it. I think it's going to be a great value for anybody who's in the market that may be outdoors, you know, doing something on the shed, wanting to put trim boards up or something, to hanging pictures for your wife. And definitely at the price, you're not going to be able to beat it. The only thing that some people might not like is it does not have a separate battery. It's rechargeable, which is great. That means that you're not having to buy batteries. It will run while it's being charged, and but at the same time, a charge should last you pretty much all day. Well, I hope this helps you out if you're in the market for one of these. Put the links in the description below, and also put links for a real good, the best type of tripod for one of these in the description. And until next time, I hope everybody has a wonderful day.